Hey guys, this is Andy the Bearded Practitioner, and I am going to be talking to you about something that's not always great natural. So I bought this very special deodorant the other day, and I'm going to say that I have tried several deodorants, and unless it has baking soda in it, it is not a very good deodorant. It actually is anti-deodorant. I would say that it works maybe 2 hours and then you smell like onion patch. I have not found a deodorant in the non-baking soda type that has good products. Now, I'm trying to avoid the aluminum sulfate stuff that's actually in the normal off-the-shelf at the grocery store stuff. So I've gone with several types of natural deodorant, and unless it has baking soda, again, it is not working. And I just can't find something that is good. Now, I did try Tom's, and it lasted maybe 4 to 6 hours without their baking soda. They have one that's like 24 hours, and it works okay. But I will tell you, this stuff, and I was like, oh, it's like Save the Earth. It has all these awesome, save the planet, on a mission to protect our planet's water. So, great idea, but you know, you have to have the product kind of work a little bit, and I don't see that happening at all. So I would love to find something that's kind of in a medium place, because the Tom's deodorant is like a 48 hours, and it has ruined my shirts because the baking soda actually will flake off into my shirt, or kind of the humidity of my underarm will cause it to go into the shirt itself. And then it's kind of left this really hard residue that's in my shirt, so that's not kind of a good thing either. But aluminum sulfate is really, really bad for your skin, and is actually carcinogenic if you take a lot of it. So, and I've known some people that they say that actually it causes cancer. So I would definitely try to find something, but I have yet to find anything that I would say, this is my total replacement deodorant. And I would love to hear your comments about that. So please, below, leave a comment about any deodorants that you've tried that are natural, that do work. And thank you very much, and have a nice day.